Let's check the bassline. So the bassline actually what I struggled with the most probably, because I was the sketch was at the starting point for quite a long time, and I was thinking how to develop it, and yeah, at some point I just was trying different stuff and came up with this quite strange and weird bassline for the garage tune. It almost sounds like a psychedelic trance or something. I'm not a fan of psychedelic trance, to be honest, but I think it works pretty well here and sounds fresh, at least. I have another problem to kind of put it in the mix, because I have this arpeggio already, and it takes quite like a big space in the mix. So that's why the bass line sounds quite heavy on the high end, and like mid section it's because the other parts are already busy with another sounds. So let's see how I made it. It's probably it's massive. And you can hear that the pitch is changing, and I have a sequence here, and even when I press in one note only, the pitch is changing and it's evolving constantly. It's constantly evolving. So I made it using two step sequencers, one with 3 steps and one with 13 steps. I basically connected them with the oscillator. So every third step, the oscillator is changing pitch 1 octave higher, and 1/13th step, the oscillator changing its pitch 2 octave higher. And that's how I created this kind of almost random pitch changing. And I think it fits, it creates quite organic nature of the sound, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's it for the bassline. Let's check the processing on here. So without processing, sounds like that, quite thin. Let's check it out. Equalizer, again, quite a big bump on the low frequencies, and I turn down some low mid frequencies to give some space for the arpeggio, for the main arpeggio. Then I added some high frequency harmonics with Fresh Air. It's quite a cool free plugin. It's adding a little bit of sand, like a really pleasing, nice high frequency content. It's good for the vocal, but also works with the synth as well. So then I have another equalizer, again with attenuation of the low frequencies and some sculpting of other frequencies. Then I have sound goodizer. It's basically multi-band processing. It turns low frequency into mono and just a tiny bit compressing all the bands. It's like a lazy multi-band OTT compression kind of thing in FL Studio. Then again, equalizing, so I sculpted even more. Yeah, because I was struggling to put it into the mix and make it sounds right with the arpeggio. Then I have flanger to give it another layer of psychedelicness. Psychedelic vibe. Then we have limiter. It's basically compression. This is for sidechaining. Again, equalizer, just tiny addition to what I had, and this is just for the arrangement. So that's it. And I have like a really short, really small amount of reverb, but it's there just to put it into the strange room. Of course, I coded all the low frequencies. So yeah, that's the bassline, and I think this bassline basically what makes this track unique. So if we check the frequency response, we can see that the main kind of frequencies of the arpeggio is here, somewhere here, and for the bassline it's high frequencies, like a little bump here on 1K, and the low frequencies, and it sounds quite okay together.